Forsyth Library is in the process of a renovation with expected completion in 2026. Because it's a phased renovation, we are open during construction, so it's important to stay up to date with the status of the library's collections and services before visiting, as they may be subject to change throughout the project. Currently, our general collection and juvenile collection are in compact storage and are available by request through our catalog. Only authorized library staff can pull books from the shelves, so if you want a book from the library, you need to place a hold through our library catalog. Here's how you do that. From the library homepage, click on Books and More and search for the book title that you want, or the author, or a keyword. It helps if you apply a filter available in the library using that right sidebar. You'll notice a yellow bar prompting you to log in, either on the results page or the book detail page. So click Sign In and sign in using your TigerNetID. Once you do that, click Place Hold and submit your request. You'll get an email notification when your book is ready for you at the Welcome Desk in Forsyth Library. You can find our hours on our website, and remember to use the northeast entrance to access the building. Thanks for watching.